Hello everyone. So if you wanna do a screen record on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, first of all you're to swipe down from the top of your screen to open up your notifications panel. Swipe it down to fully open it. Now locate your screen recording icon. Here it is, tap on it. Now you're to choose which sound to record, so none, media, or media and mic. You can also choose whether to show taps and touches or not. So if you want to do this, simply tap on the switch near it and now simply press start recording. We've got our countdown, and as you see, we've got our screen recording icon right here at the top. So while recording, we can draw on the screen. For example, press on this pencil icon, choose the color, and we can draw anything like. So as you see, we can draw and it's gonna be on our screen recording. So to stop your screen recording, simply press on the stop pause icon, or to stop it completely, press on the stop icon right here. And now our recording was saved. So let's check it out. We can find it in our gallery. And here we see it. Here's our recording. So if we tap on it, so you see it works good. We can see our drawings here and so on and so on. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.